Much clown love. Dropping some people off at the state park. Their parents came out, her mother and the stepfather, and they want to have a good time. Jen, if you're wondering. Jen. So we're going to do it. I'm here, and they're not. They went to get gas, didn't tell me. And she said her mom and dad are coming down. Yeah, they stopped by from the bus stop to say, hey, we're here and we're heading to Laughlin. I don't get it. So anyway, I'm waiting for Jennifer and them, and hopefully, they have their fun. Take care.